Very good morning, young students. We completed area plane figures chapter. So today I am going to take one revision class on the chapter. Listen well. First of all, I am going to explain formulas. Area quadrilateral. What is the area of the quadrilateral? Half into d of h1 plus h2. h1 and h2 both are perpendicular heights. D is nothing but diagonal of that quadrilateral. Next, rectangle. We know in rectangle opposite lengths of opposite sides are equal. Area of the rectangle formula length into breadth. Next, parallelogram. To find the area, what is the parallelogram? In parallelogram also lengths of opposite sides are equal and this is nothing but perpendicular height. Area of the parallelogram is nothing but base into height. BH. Next, trapezium. In trapezium, opposite sides are parallel, and this is nothing but distance between the two parallel lines. So one I am taking A and one I am taking B. So the area of the parallel trapezium is half of h into A plus B. Next, rhombus. In rhombus, lengths of all four sides are equal. What is the area to find? D1, D2, half into D1 into D2. D1 comma D2 are the diagonals of rhombus. Next, square. In square, lengths of all sides are equal. So the formula is side into side. Next, area of circle. To find the area of circle, what is the formula? Pi r square. Next, area of sector. To find the area of sector formula, theta by 360 into pi r square. Next, area of circular ring. Pi of r plus r into r minus r. So these are the some important formulas from area plane figures. Here is the first question in division class. Area of trapezium is 480 centimeters square. So what is the area of the trapezium? 480 centimeters square. Length of one of the parallel side is 24 centimeters. Here one trapezium is. In this trapezium, length of one of the parallel side, how much it is? 24 centimeters. Length of one of the parallel side is 24 centimeters. Then after, distance between the two parallel lines is equal to 8 centimeters. Now you have to find the length of the another parallel side. Here question here, first one trapezium there. In the trapezium, length of one parallel side is 24 centimeters and distance between two parallel sides 8 centimeters. You have to find length of the another parallel side. And here what is the area of the trapezium? 480 centimeters square. Solution. Length of one parallel side of trapezium. Length of one parallel side of trapezium A is equal to 24 centimeters. Let length of another side B is equal, I am taking as x centimeters because I don't know what is the length of the another parallel side, and what is the distance here. H is equal to 8 centimeters. Distance between the two parallel sides is 8 centimeters. And what is the formula? Area of trapezium is equal, what is the formula? Half into h of a plus b. Now apply the values. What is the area of the trapezium here? 480 is equal half into, what is the height here? 8 centimeters. Then after, one length is 24, another one x. 2 ones are 2 fours are. Now 480 by 4 is equal to 24 plus x. 4 ones are 4 20s are. Then x is equal to 120 minus 24 is equal to 96 centimeters. So what is the length of the another parallel side? Length of the another parallel side is 96 centimeters. Here another question. Find the area of the rhombus whose diagonals are 60 centimeters and 15 centimeters. In solution, first you have that given. What is the given here? Length of the first diagonal D1 is equal to 60 centimeters and D2 is equal to 15 centimeters. We know area of rhombus. Area of rhombus is nothing but half of the product of diagonals. Half of the product of diagonals. What is the length of the D1 here? 16 into 15 by 2. 2 ones are 2 8s are. So 15 8s are 120 centimeters square. So area of the given rhombus is 120 centimeters square. ABC is an equilateral triangle with side 10 centimeter. Find its area and also perimeter. Solution. Here one triangle there, A and B and C. This is an equilateral triangle. What does the meaning of equilateral triangle? Length of all sides are equal. So here 10 centimeters, 10 centimeters and also 10 centimeters. Now I need area and perimeter of the triangle. What is the area of triangle ABC? To find the area of an equilateral triangle, what is the formula? Root 3 by 4 into a square. A is nothing but side of the triangle. So here we can write root 3 by 4 into 10 into 10. 2 2s are 2 5s are. 2 1s are 2 5s are. How much it is? 25 root 3 centimeters. So area of the given equilateral triangle is 25 root 3 centimeters square. Then after I need perimeter. So what is the meaning of perimeter? Sum of the lengths of the all sides is called perimeter. Sum of the lengths of the all sides is called perimeter. So it is nothing but AB plus BC plus CA. 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30 centimeters. So perimeter of that equilateral triangle is 30 centimeters. Here another question in division class. Calculate the area of quadrilateral ABCD. The name of the quadrilateral is ABCD. When length of its diagonal 10 centimeters and the length of perpendiculars from B and D on AC be 5 centimeters and 6 centimeters. See here solution. Here one quadrilateral there. Name A and B and C and D. AC is a diagonal. What is the length of AC here? 10 centimeters. The length of the AC is equal to 10 centimeters. And perpendiculars from D and also from B. From B and from D. Here. H1 is equal to how much? 5 centimeters. and H2 is equal to 6 centimeters. H2 is equal to 6 centimeters. Now you have to find the area of the quadrilateral. To find the area of quadrilateral, area ABCD is equal to, what is the formula? Half into D into H1 plus H2. In this, what is the meaning of D? D is nothing but diagonal of the quadrilateral, and H1 comma H2 are the perpendicular sides. Then half into, what is the length of the diagonal? 10 centimeters. H1 5 plus 6. 2 ones are 2 5s is equal to 5 into 11 is equal to 55 centimeters square. So area of the given quadrilateral is 55 centimeters square. The floor of a building consists around 2000 tiles which are rectangular shape. But the building consists of 2000 tiles. The tiles are in the shape of rectangle with the length 10 meters and breadth 5 meters. Find the cost of flooring if each tile costs rupees 20 per meter square. First of all, given. What is the given here? Tiles are in the shape of rectangle. The tiles are in the shape of rectangle. What is the length? L is equal to 10 centimeters, 10 meters, and breadth is equal to 5 meters. Now find the area of single tile. Area of tile is equal length into breadth is equal 10 into 5 is equal to 50 meters square. So area of one tile is nothing but 50 meters square, but there are 2000 tiles are there. 2000 into 50 is equal to 30,000 meters square. Now what is the cost of flooring? Cost of flooring if each tile cost 20 per meter square. So per 1 meter square, what is the cost here? 20 rupees. Here total how many meters are there here? 30,000 meters square. So total cost is equal to 20 into 30,000. It is nothing but 6 lakh rupees.